Today I'm going through the AQA GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So question 16 reads as follows. A pasta has 30 characters. It is made out of 5 numbers, 15 letters and some symbols. Work out the ratio of numbers, letters and symbols. Give your answer in the simplest form. First we have to work out how many symbols there are. So that'll be 30 minus 5 minus 15, which gives me 10 symbols. And then I write them 5, 15 and 10 into a ratio. And I can see that I all have a common factor of 5, so I can divide by 5 to simplify, which will give me 1, 2, 3 to 2. And as all of them are prime numbers, I know that I cannot simplify any further. Question 17 reads as follows. Work out 5 over 6 plus 7 over 12. Give your answer as a mixed number. So first I need to make my denominators the same. So 5 over 6 multiplied by 2 on the numerator and the denominator will give me 10 over 12. Then I add 10 and 7, which are the numerators, which give me 17 over 12. But as it says to give my answer as a mixed number, there is one whole and 5 12s. Like and subscribe for more.